Good day, family and friends. Welcome to Smokepot and Balanced Kitchen. You're here with your one and only Smokepot. It's been a minute, but it's good to have you back again. All right. So let us just dive in as soon as we're able. We're gonna be doing something different. I tried it last night. It was very tasty, and I said let me introduce it to you guys. And it's gonna be shrimp with string beans with a cranberry sauce and cranberry. So it's shrimp with string beans in a cranberry and cranberry sauce. All right, I have some onions, red onions and some irregular onions and some red bell peppers that's gonna be in it. I'm trying not to overpower it, but that will give it a little beauty and all of that. So the first thing I'm gonna do, my water is presently boiling, so I'm just gonna add this water to my pot, as you can see right here. Just the water, nothing, no salt, no nothing. I'm gonna add my string bean to that. And we're gonna allow that to boil. All right, that's it. We're gonna allow that to boil just a little. We want it to have a little crunch in it. So we're not gonna boil it for too long. All right, so we get back to that in a sec. All right, now the next step, we're gonna lightly season our shrimp right here. All right, so as you can see, I have some black pepper. I won't be putting too much, just a little as I'm saying, like so. All right, I have here some adobe all-purpose season. Put a little adobe. That's good. That's like about a half. And we have a fish season. Your season, use the season you like, but this is a fish season, it's a Maggi flavor. We're gonna put a little of that. All right, that's about an next half teaspoon there about. Right, and we're gonna just, basically we're just gonna stir this for a quick sec. So it's lightly seasoned, because the process is one where we're gonna be sauteing it in a little butter and the season I have here. All right, guys, so remember to share, like, subscribe. Your boy Smokepot is back. So share, like, subscribe. We slow down for a minute, but hey, we're gonna pick up and we're gonna be running right now. So in a few, we'll go back and show you the rest of the procedure. Just keep tuned. Okay, guys, as you can see, I added some butter to my pot. I'm using a wok right now. You know, I feel like in the Chinese mood. So, and immediately I'm gonna saute my season. I don't want them to be too soft. So that's the red onion, the purple onion, regular onion, and some red bell pepper. All right. So I'm sauteing that a little bit. Also my string bean that's already boiled. As you can see, I strained it. So now I'm gonna add the string bean to it. So it's gonna be sucking up all that butter sauce and everything. All right. I need a little touch of some other seasoning too. So I'm gonna be adding 1 pack of sazon. All right, I'm gonna be adding 1 pack of sazon. This is very flavorful and colorful also. I need a little kick in terms of a little pepper, so I'm going to be adding just a little cayenne, just a little. You don't want it too spicy, but that's good. And lastly, I'm going to be adding just a little more of the fish seasoning. All right. So that string bean right now should be taking up all that beautiful flavor right here. It's so aromatic. Very aromatic. I'm saying I need these to be very firm. All right, the shrimp we have, it's already slightly seasoned. So when it's added to this buttery mix, it's gonna be beautiful. Just want to get these onions loose. The colors are beautiful right now. Exactly what I'm looking for. All right, guys. It's looking good. And I smell the butter and the other flavors. Alright, so now I'm going to be adding my shrimp after I had the cranberry. Here's the cranberry. I have them all cut up very small. We add the cranberry. Give this 2 spin and then I'm gonna add the shrimp. Cut the cranberry, get that little, it's gonna just like we have the little cayenne that gives a little kick. Now the cranberry gonna give it just a hint of a little, you know, a little sweet to it. So it balances out real nicely. Alright, so now I get my shrimp. My shrimp, which has already been lightly seasoned, is just gonna pour them inside. And for those who don't know, shrimp is going to take approximately 3 minutes. 3 minutes to be cooked. So I'm going to give this a little stir so the butter, you know, sits on it nicely. Oh guys, you want to smell what's going on. It's looking beautiful, but it smells so good. Alright, I'm going to cover this for 2 minutes. I'm going to cover this for 2 minutes and then we'll be back when I'm going to be turning off the stove and then I'll be doing the plating and then we guys can enjoy it together. So remember, Smokepot and Balanced Kitchen. Like, share, subscribe, and push your boy forward. Peace. Okay guys, this is what we have here. That's very done. It's not overdone, it's just ready. So turn the stove off. We're gonna do a little plating. That was about 3.5 minutes. Basically the string bean basically stopped it from cooking in the 3 minutes. So it took about 3 to 4 minutes. But it's all good just the same. So I'm gonna put a little in this plate. So remember what we have here is shrimp with string bean in a cranberry sauce and with a little bits of cranberry added to it. Alright, so that's what we have. It's smelling so beautiful, guys. I'm gonna sit down and I'm gonna taste and I'm gonna tell you guys exactly what it's like. So give me back a sec and you're gonna enjoy with me. So Smokepot, Balanced Kitchen, bless every time. Well guys, as you can see, we're at the end of the road and now I'm gonna be eating some of this delicious looking food. So as I told you before, it's shrimp with string bean with some cranberry and cranberry sauce. All right. So let me taste first of the string bean. I'm a vegetable guy. Guys, please try it. The balance with that pepper and that cranberry is beautiful. A little salt from the fish season and the sazan, beautiful. The flavor of the onions coming through and the bell pepper, beautiful. Guys, it's very delicious. Very balanced. I would eat just that vegetable mixed without even tasting the shrimp right now. But anyhow, let me taste the shrimp. As you can see, there are bits and pieces of the cranberry. It's dried cranberry I use. So let me dive in. So perfectly done. It's not overdone, it's not hard. It's just soft, moist, and infused with all those seasonings. That's a work of art, guys. Try it. Hope you enjoyed. Remember, it's Smokepot and Balanced Kitchen. It's your boy Smokepot. Share, like, subscribe, and see you next time. God bless.